Hey everybody, Carter from Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota and AutoramaAuto.com. Today we have a 2011 Ford Raptor Crew Cab 6.2. It's molten orange, the only year you can get the crew cab in this color. It has 117,000 miles and a clear Carfax. It was bought brand new in Minot, North Dakota and has always been registered in North Dakota, Western North Dakota. It's got the two-tone seats, power moonroof, factory navigation, Sony audio. It's nice and clean. You saw it has the front custom bumper on it. The tires are almost brand new. They're super aggressive. Factory Fox racing suspension. And the oil's been changed. It's ready to go. You can see it at Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota or AutoramaAuto.com. Watch out for hidden prices with other dealers.